Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39, and I want to show you what I made from some of my Disney papers. So these are about 3.5 by 4.5 inch mini albums, or they're actually good for autographs. So I'm going to call them autograph albums. So let me just pull one aside and show you, because they're all a little bit different. So I had a lot of the Cutaparts, the 3 by 4 inch Cutaparts, and this was a way to use them. And in between the Cutapart pages are blank pages. So let's look at this one. So you could use that to bring around and get autographs on it. Now, if you don't want to use it for autographs, you can just put small pictures on it. So there are Cutaparts on every other page, and then I used stickers and embellishments I had made. This one has a tab I used for the envelope punch board. So again, you could use that for autographs or just for a mini album or just to write on, take notes. So I'll run through a couple of them. That's similar to the other one. And again, if you use the Simple Stories Say Cheese, there are tons of Cutaparts in that paper collection. And this way you can use those Cutaparts in a very useful way. So that's what I made with the Cutaparts from the Say Cheese, using my stash as part of the Disney in September 2020 PHA Challenge. Thanks for watching.